what I'm saying? And then guess what, snares? I'm getting there. Snares. Once y'all done dancing, go to the bass. Tenors, we're not going to have a part for you guys. I want to have you guys put your sticks down. And just because it was so popular last year, how you guys come up. Get y'all looking. But,
get over here.
Listen, hear me out. Stop. Once you guys are finished getting your boogie on, you guys are going to go to the snare drums and do their part, while the snares get their boogie on. See what I'm saying? And then guess what, snares? I'm getting there. Snares. Once y'all done dancing, go to the bass drum.
Wait, guys.
Alright, y'all. Let Mr. JD
Get y'all
talk.
boogie on. Alright, I'm actually happy here, excited. That's cool. At ease. Alright, so listen, this is how it's supposed to go. At ease. Use your ears, not your eyes or your mouth. Shh. At ease. Alright, at ease. Okay, this is what's gonna happen. You guys gonna call it up. Once you guys have called it up already, I'm going to tell the crowd the different parts that we have to this cadence. I'm going to tell them the name of the cadence. Basses, you guys are going to play your part first, twice. Then you're going to stop. Tenors, then you guys are going to play your part twice, then stop. Snares, play your part twice, then stop. You guys are going to call PC, click it off. All you guys are going to come in together. We're going to go through the first part, transition, go into the second part. Soon as the second part starts, tenors, you take your sticks, put them on your drums, come up to the front, dance. Once I cue you to stop, you're going to bow as a group. Go back to your tenors. Or no, you're going to go to the snares, and the snare's going to replace your part. Got it?
Yeah.
After the snares have got done getting a boogie on, they are going to go to the bass drum. Tenors, you will still be on snare. Basses, once the snares come to your bass drum, you will come up here and get your boogie on. Once you are done, don't forget your part. Look, it's quick. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, play. Good. One more time. 1, 2, ready, play. Snares.
Yes, sir!
Play your part. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, play. Everybody, you're gonna play your part. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, play. Good. 1, 2, 1. Y'all like that was music and we just did that. What did you do? 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, play. Y'all like it? Y'all like it? 1, 2. Hold on, y'all. Let me try to get your boogie on. Hold on, give me a second. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, play. Guess what's next for you guys?
What?
The tenors. Guess what's next for you guys? The same thing. So it's got it? Just doing it twice. 1, 2, tenors, 2, ready, play. Do it again. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, play. Good. Now the last beat. Alright, so the ending should be looking like this. Everybody should look like this at the end of that. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, play. Good. The next move, it's still the same hand that's moving. So it's pop, pop, and you're looking at it. Pop, pop, look at it. 1, 2, 1, 2, whole thing goes. One more time. 1, 2, ready, play. Everybody up.
SIZZLER!
Back row. Ati, hut. Everybody. Ati, hut. At ease. At ease. Y'all moving. Y'all moving real good. Like a train, well-oiled machine. We might be able to finish what we got for the whole week today. Y'all might. I'm just saying. Egypt. Back. Popcorn. At ease. At ease. At ease. Egypt. Nope. Let me see what you got. Say the numbers with it.
1, 2.
Wait, hold on. I'm gonna give you the card. Beat it.
1, 2, 3.
Nope. Do it again. Beat it.
1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna give you guys a refresher. 1, 2, 3. 2 is still together. You don't separate on 2. You separate on 3. So it's 1, 2, 3. Try it again.
1, 2, 3.
Beat it.
1, 2, 3.
Do it again. Next here. Beat it.
1, 2, 3.
Do it again. Beat it.
1, 2, 3. I did the wrong.
Let's see what you do. But when you open them up, don't open them up here. Open up down here. So it's 1, 2, come back down. Do it again. 1, 2, ready. Try not to hit the drum. Try not to hit the drum. Let me see you guys.
1, 2, 3.
Your six good. Put it together.
1, 2, 3.
Beat it.
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Yes. Nope. Down first.
1, 2.
They are doing a good job, but don't mess it up with popcorn. Back. Ati, huh? The next part is even easier. I'm going to say beat it. You guys are going to say 1, 2, 3. Don't do anything. Just say 1, 2, 3 as loud as you can.
1, 2, 3.
Beat it.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, so after I say beat it, it should sound like this. Beat it. 1, 2, 3. Beat it.
1, 2, 3.
Couldn't hear it. Beat it.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, at ease. Quicker y'all move, the quicker we can move on.